Please note, when carrying out operations near the engine, remember it may be hot. In addition, the engine cooling fan can come on at any moment. Deactivate the stop and start function when performing any operations in the engine compartment. With the bonnet open, access the optical unit. Remove the covers. For dipped and main beam headlights, disconnect the wiring. Please note, the bulbs are under pressure and can break when replaced. Release the spring and remove the bulb, holding it by its base. Change the bulb. Lock the spring, and reconnect the bulb. For side lights, pull the bulb holder to access the bulb. Hold the bulb by its base, then change the bulb. Reposition the bulb. Then replace the covers.